Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will tell you how to import fully textured Marvel Rivals model in Unreal Engine with one click. Yes, you heard it right. You can import fully textured Marvel Rivals model in Unreal Engine with one click without facing any problem. The reason I am making this tutorial is because Unreal Engine is much faster compared to Blender and can handle multiple characters without lagging, unlike Blender. So let's start this tutorial. So friends, you need to make sure that you have downloaded the right version of Unreal Engine, otherwise Rivals porting will not import any character into Unreal Engine. Okay, so you need to make sure that you have downloaded Unreal Engine version 5.5.4. Any other version except this will not work with Rivals porting. Okay, so let's start with our step 1 of the tutorial. In step 1, we need to create a new project in Unreal Engine version 5.5.4. So for creating a new project, you can directly launch this version. Just press launch here and wait for some time. It might also take some time and also download some required files for you if you are opening this for first time. So be patient and let it open. So friends, you can see that my Unreal Engine project browser has been opened and here are all my recent projects. But for now, we need to go to this games tab and here you can find different presets related to games. But for now, we will go with blank. And here there are project settings. For now we will use this blueprint. Target platform will be desktop. If you have low end PC, you can keep this to scalable. If you have high end PC, you can turn this to maximum. If you need starter content, you can enable this. It's up to you. For now, I will click on this starter content because I need some pre-installed assets in my Unreal Engine project. Okay, and here you can change the project location. You can go to any project location. For me, the default location is fine, but you have less storage in your C drive or whatever drive this project is saved. You can always change the project to any other drive. Project name, you can go with anything. For now, I will go with the tutorial project. And guys, let me tell you that Unreal Engine does not support space, so you need for space you need to keep this symbol. Okay, so once you have done everything here, just click on this create button and wait for some time. It might take approximately 10 to 20 minutes for this project to open depending on your PC. In my PC, since I have already used Unreal Engine, it will open very fast. So friends, here you can see that my Unreal Engine project has been opened and here you don't need to do anything. Just click on this file and then click on this save all. Okay, once you have clicked on save all, just go again on this file and then quit the project. Okay, the reason we quit this project is because we need to now install the Rivals porting plugin so that the Unreal Engine imports the rival porting models. Okay, so guys, make sure that you are using Rivals porting alpha version 0.1.8, otherwise the Unreal Engine support will not work. Okay, so now for installing plugin, you can just go to this plugin tab. Earlier we used to go to this Blender option, but for now we will go on this Unreal Engine option. Okay, so click on this Unreal Engine and then click on this add button. Okay, and go to that place where you have saved your project. Okay, so for this is the save location of my project. For you it might be different, and our project name was tutorial project, so you can see this is here. So just double click on this tutorial project and you can see a black thing which is U project file. Just click on this and then press open and wait for some time. Okay, so you can see that our Rivals porting plugin has been installed into our project. Now we are good to go. Okay, so you can see that my Rivals porting has already started working now. Now we can just go and open our Unreal Engine project. Okay, so for opening our Unreal Engine project, we can just go to this Epic Games. Either you can launch the project from here, from Unreal Engine this version, or you can see that it shows the recent project here. If you have opened any project, it will appear here. So you can see this is our tutorial project. Just right click on it and then press open and then wait for some time. Okay, so friends, you can see that our Unreal Engine project has been opened, but how do we know that the plugin is installed and where it is? Okay, so for accessing your Unreal Engine plugins, you can just click on this edit and then click on this plugins option. You can see there is a project option here. Just click on this and you can see that there is one UE format plugin and then Rivals porting plugin. Make sure both the plugins are enabled, just like Blender. You can see my Rivals porting is also enabled and my UE format is also enabled. Okay, so now we have completely set up the Unreal Engine for importing Marvel Rivals model. Okay, so for now just close this and go to the Rivals porting application. First of all, we will try to import the Spiderman model because his model is very simple and it will take very less time to import it in Unreal Engine. Okay, so just select Spiderman and we will go with the default skin and make sure in this export to option Unreal Engine is selected, otherwise the character will go to the Blender. Okay, once you have done this, just press export button and wait for some time. You can see that the character has been started importing into the Unreal Engine, and wait for some time. You can see the all the textures are importing here, so you don't need to press OK, it will automatically vanish the options here. Okay, so the main question is, where did the character go? Okay, so the character goes into this content browser. Okay, so just click on this content browser. You can see there is a new folder named here Marvel. Okay, double click on it, go to the characters. Again 1036 is the code name of Spiderman. This is the actually the folder where Spiderman default skin is. So just double click on it and then go to the message folder. You can see the Spiderman model has been imported here. These are the bones of the Spiderman. This is the main default mesh. Okay, so if we click and drag him to the Spiderman to our scene, you can see that our Spiderman has been brought. Okay, right now our sunlight is coming from there, and this is the reason why Spiderman is looking black. So what you can do is press Ctrl+L on your keyboard and then move your mouse to move the sun. Okay, so we will bring the sun to forward direction. Okay, now you can see that our sun is in forward direction and the sunlight is hitting Spiderman. You can see the Spiderman model is completely textured and this model looks perfect. Okay, you can see no texture is missing and everything looks fine here. Okay, so let's try with some new character, because importing Spiderman is really easy. Let's try importing Psylocke because she has a lot of clothes on her body. So let's try with Psylocke. You can see we will try to import this retro X uniform skin of Psylocke. Okay, once you have selected this, just press export button and wait for some time. Okay, and this process is really heavy, so make sure not to do anything while importing, otherwise your Unreal Engine might crash. Okay, so as you can see that and by chance if this error comes, okay, so just press no button here. Okay, it says if you want to convert 2D texture into HDR texture. So if we convert 2D texture to HDR texture, our character will be completely blown up. It will look black and white. Okay, so we don't need to convert our 2D texture to HDR texture. Okay, once the importing has been done, you can again go to this content folder and then go to this character folders. Click on this 1048 because this is the code name of Psylocke. Just double click on this folder and then click on this meshes. You can see that the Psylocke model has been appeared here. So we will just drag and drop her here. You can see that the Psylocke model is perfectly textured. No mesh are there that is untextured. Even the glow texture are working fine and the eyes are also completely fine. You can see her eyes looks perfect. Okay, so yeah, this is how easy it is to import Marvel Rivals model in Unreal Engine. Okay, once you have done importing, just go to this file and then press save all, and also it will give an option to save the level. So make sure you save the level. Let's save it as level 1. Okay, so let's save it at level 1 and then press save button so that everything gets saved. Otherwise, once you close the project, all the things that you have imported will be gone. Okay, so you can see we have completely saved our project. We have saved our level. This is the level 1. If you click on this content, you can see level 1 and every character, everything here has been saved. Okay, the material meshes, everything has been saved. Now even if you close the project and restart the project, every model and every material will be available in this project. Okay, so you can see that this is how easy it is to import the models in Unreal Engine. So I hope you liked my today's tutorial. This was all for today's tutorial. In next tutorial, I will tell you how to texture some missing parts of the characters like Bucky. Okay, suppose guys, if you import the Bucky skin, or let's start with the Emma Frost skin. Let's start with Emma Frost. You can see this is the default skin of Emma Frost. Just press export button. You can see this is the Emma Frost skin. Sorry, it has duplicated twice, I don't know. So this is the Emma Frost skin and her body diamond part are completely untextured. All the parts are textured, the eyes, hair and texture, but the body diamonds are untextured. Okay, so in next tutorial I will tell you how to find missing textures of the character and texture them in Unreal Engine. Okay, so this will be in the next tutorial. So make sure to subscribe my channel if you want to learn something amazing on Unreal Engine. Okay, I hope you liked my today's tutorial guys. See you later. Make sure to subscribe my channel. Bye guys.